We're going to make your very own book.
We're learning about how-to books, how to teach someone to do something, and actually how to write about it.
I thought it would be really fun to teach you how to make pizza.
We were making pizzas. Pizza. Pizza.
And then you can teach other people how to make pizza as well.
We gotta get every ingredient we need. I use sprinkles, bananas, and toast and jelly. Pancake, Rice Krispie treat.
And then we just teach each step along the way.
If you don't follow instructions, it will go wrong. It's because if you follow instructions, you'll know what to do. If you want it to turn out like you want it, you would have to do the ingredients correctly.
The goal is to write a how-to book to teach someone step by step how to complete something.
Like you can teach people how to make stuff. It's really yummy and fun.
Today was the first step, and I am going to guide them through the writing process. So right now they're starting to write the ingredients that they brought to school, and every day we'll just write a portion of the story, and then hopefully next week they'll be able to come up with their own idea about how to teach someone how to do something.